Welcome to another episode of Magic Tuesday. Today we are going to talk about the Teranex Mini Rack Shelf. The Teranex Mini Rack Shelf lets you mount your Teranex Mini converters into racks. If you're not mounting the Teranex Mini converters, we have the Blackmagic units like the Atem Television Studio HD. So you can also use the Teranex Mini Rack Shelf to mount the Atem. So this is how the unit looks like. Just an empty rack. An empty rack shelf. Yes, it's a shelf because it's only one unit. So if you have equipment that you want to install in your OB van, outside broadcasting vans, if you want to install Blackmagic units into racks, this is the unit that you go for. So if you have the Teranex Mini converters, each converter covers up to a third of this unit. You can have up to 3 Teranex Mini converters on one rack shelf. If you're using the Atem Television Studio HD, you can have the unit and something else. Could be a Blackmagic web presenter or a Teranex Mini converter, but anything that can cover that a third of the space, because the Blackmagic Atem Television Studio HD covers up to 2/3 of the rack shelf. Let me take you through the mounting process, how you mount your units on the rack shelf. I'm going to mount the Atem Television Studio HD and a web presenter on this rack shelf. Yeah, first thing, you need your tools. You need the right tools. This is a hand drill. If you don't have a drill, you can just go for the normal screwdrivers. And then I have the screws. The screws, you find them at the bottom of your unit. So I already have them removed. What you need to do is just place the units on whichever side it is you want the unit to start from. So I want my Atem to be on the right side of the rack. I'm going to have it there, then just turn it. This is a one-man's job, so you won't need a lot of people to do this. Yeah, just make sure that the screw is in its place. There we go. As fast as that. So the Atem is already secured in place. You see that? And now I'm going to have my Blackmagic web presenter on the other third of the rack shelf. Same process. Oh, yes. Just position my screws first. There we go. The units are secured. And this is how it looks like. So if you have a switcher, an encoder, you have Teranex Mini converters, and you want all these things beautifully arranged in one rack, this is what you need, the Teranex Mini Rack Shelf, to help you with that mounting process. Yes, guys, it's as simple as that. If you want to acquire this unit or any other Blackmagic unit, you can visit us on our website, that is www.highwayav.co.ke. Or you can visit us in our offices. We are based in South Bay, Trans Towers, upper ground floor, office number 6. As well, you can just give us a call. Our number is +2 54 796 26 20 28. Yes, guys, as usual, until next Tuesday with a whole new magic from Blackmagic Design. See you. Bye-bye.